Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my this video contains a very beautiful, stylish and elegant collection of hand embroidered dresses that could be specifically worn on Eid festivals, on other occasions that could be like party wears, like birthday parties, like formal gatherings, formal events, formal outings. Guys, all of these designs are unique, decent, elegant, and highly trendy patterns. You can wear them as per your choices. The beauty of these designs is that these are multi-dimensional designs. That is, you can use them for hand embroidery, you can use them for machine embroidery, and at the same time, you can also use them. That is one more art, and that art is you can use them for digital computer embroidery and different type of patterns of liquid embroidery as well. So simple embroidery patterns are designed using some basic simple hand embroidery stitches, ranging from and moving towards some sort of complex and some sort of heavier embroidery patterns, which give the designer and the wearer a more unique and a more beautiful and decent look. So all you have to do is do make these patterns and share your experiences with us. Guys, do support us, keep loving us, keep watching our content, keep subscribing us. If you have subscribed, then you can subscribe our channel from many other devices as well, so that we could grow up into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. With your love and support, we have managed to reach at this level, and with your love and support, we will move towards or head towards silver button, and then we will opt and go for gold play button as well. Keep supporting us, keep loving us, because we need your love and support like you always have been. Keep watching our content as well, keep giving us suggestions and opinions so that we could improve continuously, and eventually, guys, we try our best to share amazing design ideas with you. Now we will talk about the embroidery materials that you need to make this pattern. Then some few materials like embroidery needle, embroidery thread, and embroidery frame is being required to make the pattern, and embroidery pattern is also required, which must be fabricated onto the fabric, and for by following that pattern you can just make the whole embroidery design as well. If you are going for machine embroidery, then you can use your simple machine for embroidering these patterns. You can design your shirt, trouser, neckline, hemline, side neckline, yoke, some central motif to make your yoke more creative and decent. You can use side shoulder sides, left and right shoulder motifs as well. You can use the whole back for embroidering the patterns as a back neckline, along with the very beautiful and eloquency of front neckline. So these were the different dimensions, different ideas that I thought I must present to you, because our this video contains almost 75 plus creative and beautifully unique ideas through which you can design your dresses with the help of hand embroidery art. So guys, don't go anywhere, watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. With this, allow me to lead. Take care of yourselves and stay blessed, be happy and stay positive, and see you in the new upcoming videos.